Today, we're going to create completely free and high-quality AI videos. First, take a look at this channel. It has over 1.1 million subscribers, and as you can see, the videos are getting millions of views. The channel is monetized, and its estimated income is around 11K, 12K per month. Now look at the type of videos they create. These are simple but highly engaging videos. For example, a hand holding small animals like a lizard, snake, or other creatures. This is currently a viral trend, and you can easily create similar videos. You can also make these videos as YouTube Shorts, which is what we'll focus on. The reason is simple. Shorts can be created completely free, while long videos are harder to produce without paid tools. As you can see, these trending videos are getting millions of views, and the channel is already monetized. So yes, you can also create similar videos and grow your channel. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Now, let's start step by step and learn how to create these videos for free. Important note: before starting, there's one very important thing. If you're new to my channel, you'll find the prompt in the comments section. Make sure to leave a comment and you'll get access to the prompt to Let's Get Started. Now we are going to create images, so here's what you need to do. I will give you a prompt in my YouTube comments section. You just have to copy that prompt, and along with it, I'll also provide around 23, 24 animal names. You can use those or even add your own. After that, go to Leonardo AI and paste the prompt there. Once you paste it, within a short time, your image will be generated, and you'll see how amazing the result looks. But the important part is how to customize it yourself. For that, take the same prompt, copy it, and go to ChatGPT, paste it there, and simply write, "Please remove snake and add carpenter ant," or any animal you want, like wolf spider. ChatGPT will generate a new prompt for you, slightly different but high quality, so it's not an exact copy. Then you just copy that new prompt and paste it back into Leonardo AI, and your new image will be created. You can repeat this process with different animals, and in this way, all your images will be ready with great quality and variation. This is a very powerful method to create unique images easily. Something important, you can also create these images using Pixelmator. As you can see, the image quality and results are very good. I have already explained how to use Pixelmator in my previous videos. You can visit my channel and watch them. Now, let's move on to creating the AI voice. Next, we will create an AI voice using powerful free AI tools like text-to-speech platforms such as ElevenLabs. Here you can easily generate a natural-sounding AI voice without any cost. First, copy the script you created from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. Then choose a voice you like. For example, Alex, or any other available option. After selecting the voice, go to the settings and adjust the tone according to your content, such as motivational, storytelling, or dramatic style. Once everything is set, paste your text and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your AI voice will be ready to
A realistic macro photograph of a tiny coiled snake resting on the tip of a human finger.
use. Now let's move to background music. Then navigate to the audio library. There you will find a large collection of free music tracks. You can preview different tracks and select the one that fits your video best. Once you find the right one, simply download it and add it as background music in your editing software. Finally, we will combine the AI voice and background music to create a professional quality video. Second, we use another website called Flow Labs to create daily videos. This platform provides free daily credits, making it very useful for regular content creation. Simply open the website and click on Create with New. After that, you will see your available credits. For example, I receive around 150 credits when I log in with a single email. It also shows a Refresh Daily option, which means your credits are renewed every day automatically. This allows you to use the platform daily without any difficulty and continue creating videos consistent with your project, and then select Create with Flow. After that, Copy your prompt and adjust the settings properly. Select VE03.1. Set the mode to fast and adjust the quality according to your preference. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16, vertical format. After that, enable real-time generation. Now paste your prompt and the video generation will start immediately. You can also add multiple prompts one by one to create several different videos. After a short while, your results will appear and you'll get high-quality, professional-looking videos. This is an easy way to create daily videos using this platform. Now, what we need to do next is use a website that allows you to create videos for free. The name of the website is KIE.ai. As you can see on the screen, once you open it, you'll find multiple options like text to video, image to video, video to video, video enhancer, and more. It's a very powerful and useful website. By using it, you can get daily credits and create videos every day easily. Step-by-step process. First, connect the website with your email account. After that, you'll see different options. Click on Text to Video, then select the model. For example, I choose V3 or V3.1. Now, paste your prompt in the given box. After pasting the prompt, select the video size. For example, I usually select 16.9, but you can also choose 9.16 depending on your need. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button. The video will start generating. It may take around 2 to 3 minutes, as mentioned on the screen. After that, your video will be ready, and you can see the result. The quality is really impressive. Now go back, and you'll find another option called Group. Open it, paste your prompt again, select the size, for example 9:16, and generate another video. Within a few moments, your second video will also be ready. As you can see, the results are amazing. Final tip: you just need to do simple copy-paste work. And by using these tools, you can create high-quality AI videos daily without any difficult. I will use CapCut for editing my last video. It is a very good software where I will add my video. CapCut is easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. In this way, I will edit my video, add effects, and my video will be ready for you to watch. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to the video, feel free to message me or comment below. I will reply. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring another method. Thanks for watching.